I greet you all. I want to briefly talk about this seed called Ajuan seed or carrot, which is very, very nutritious. This very seed you're seeing, this carom seed you're seeing, is a very medicinal seed. It is called Ajuan in India. This one is good for cough. Even a little child can make use of it. This seed is very nice for cold. If you have cold, you continue to eat this seed, the cold will be gone. The cold will be healed. If you have liver or lungs problem, you chew this seed. Whenever you chew it, it gives you a better look. You'll be fine. Always look for this carom seed. Carom seed. I am your doctor, Ewa, adverting this seed, especially in this cold season for you. So you will not suffer pneumonia, you will not suffer cold disease. Thank you. We are Chi Iwo Health and Life Services. You need our service for any question, we will answer you. Thank you. I will come your way next time, same time, and your doctor, I am your doctor, Reverend Dr. Ewa. Remember us.